What if Itachi found you first? Day 1. He appears in the shadows of your village. Silence everywhere. You're the only one left alive.
This video took $0 and exactly 10 minutes to make. Look at this channel. This channel pulling in millions of views with almost zero investment. But here's the crazy part. Most people think these videos are difficult to make. They're not. In this video, I'm going to show you the exact system to build these viral AI videos completely for free. Plus, later in the video, I'm giving you the exact master prompt that automates this entire workflow. So make sure you watch until the end. Let's get started. Step 1. I've prepared a master prompt for you. All you have to do is copy this and paste into ChatGPT. Now, ChatGPT will generate 5 viral video ideas instantly. You just choose one. For this example, I'm going to choose number 1. Just type 1 and hit enter. Now, ChatGPT is writing our full script. Read it over. If you like it, copy it to your notepad. You can even add a few of your own lines here to make it unique. Step 2. Professional audio. For our voiceover, we're using AI Studio. It's free and the voices are incredible. Copy your script, head to AI Studio, click on Text to Speech, select the first model, now click Single Speaker, paste your script, pick your favorite voice, and hit enter. It generates in seconds.
What if Itachi found you first? Day 1. He appears in the shadows of your village. Silence everywhere. You're the only one left alive.
Step 3. The visuals. Now copy your first scene from the script and paste it in. ChatGPT just gave us a specific image prompt and a motion prompt. Copy the image prompt and head to FlowAI. FlowAI is free and the quality is insane. Use these settings on the screen for the best result. I love this one, so I'll download it. Now let's animate it. Go to Grok AI, click Imagine, and select Animate Image. Upload your image. Go back to ChatGPT, copy that motion prompt, and paste it into Type to Imagine. Set the resolution to 9:16 and hit Generate. Now, repeat that process for the rest of your scenes. I'm skipping the remaining scenes to save your time. Once your clips are ready, it's time to edit. I'm using Filmora, but any editor works. Import your clips and your voiceover. Sync them up. Now add background music. Use copyright-free music, and add sound effects if you want. Pro tip, if you're using CapCut, use the auto caption feature to make the video even more engaging. I've put the complete master prompt in the description below. You can copy it right now and start your own channel today, and also tools link that are used in this video. If you want to find these hidden AI niches before they get saturated, make sure to like this video and subscribe to AI Builder Lab.